Karibuni sana Kisii. Wacha nimwachie yeye aongee.
Ya mono. Ona amoleta morole kesare nubwate makienda abunga ningo kunete. Hakuna makati nimeguza yeye. Tuna watoto wasichana 4 na sisi hatukeketi. Aba isiboka na bulero tukorosia. Wosemono. Na inu kale motia. Kale motia. So I will not say much. I want to completely recognize that all of you are from different political parties. All of you have different opinions about our country. Today was the day for our women in Kisii and for the women of the constituency that has voted for me for more than 20 years. I will not discuss any politics because I respect all of you. But this road here is bad. Can somebody do it? Jafet, njua. This young man is my friend. I knew him before he became. I tried to help him where I could, but I still loved Honorable Jimmy Angwenyi. But God sorted them out. Keep up the spirit. These people don't want stories. Do the roads. Do the schools, get them water, work with these leaders, make sure you are polite. I know you are richer than me now. Don't use your money. Respect these people. Thank you. You are a great man. Take care of it. Nkuanena ki bono nkubayena. Muma eta Akaeri kaliga itoka kararia. Muma eta Akaeri kalia. Nchera kare gocha.
Seneta, zawadi yako tafadhali.